Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little show and tell slash sneak peek of my room, and that is where I keep the majority of my collection. I figured you guys would want to see just what I have, and if you see anything in the video that you like or you want to see a video on, feel free to let me know. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'll just let you guys look around. If you are an OG subscriber, yes, all the squishies on the wall are from back in the day. They're all the first release, which is my favorite. Right here is a good majority of my My Little Pony collection. There are a few little odds and ends that aren't shown right here, and some plushies. That little Care Bear lamp does work, just in case you're wondering. There is the Gem and the Holograms doll that I made over last year. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's not really that big of a show and tell. There's quite a bit. I'm just kind of scratching the surface. There's even more on the other side as well. But I just wanted to give you guys a little peek because it's cute, and who doesn't like to look at cute things? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Mario Kart Peach sees all.